Hello everybody! Explore Holland America's C-Day lunch menus and see how some of the dishes looked and tasted like. These were from our 2025 9-night Southern Caribbean cruise aboard the HAL Eurodam. There were 4 sea days on our cruise, and one of them was a special brunch, which is different from the food and menus we'll be presenting here. See the description for the link to our video coverage of Holland America's brunch. Coming up are the 3 different MDR lunch menus and food. Enjoy!
Do get a little bit of sauce here. Super tender. Ooh, definitely spicy for sure. I like the kick. Too bad the skin is not crispy.
Looks like it has a nice crust.
Yeah, the breadcrumbs on the top. That's good. I think it's not creamy enough. Not enough. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not the best macaroni and cheese. I'm not mad at it. The melted cheese on top is good though. Our American burger. Onions, mushrooms, bacon, lettuce, then tomatoes. What's the mushroom in there? Got some kind of cream sauce? Oh. That was a one happy bite. That's good. Good old classic burger. Slightly crispy outside. And then the fish is like flaky. And the mashed potato is very smooth and a very nice texture to it. I think this is some kind of olive. What is that?
Olive tapenade.
Is that what it is? That's really good. I like this. This is like Asian dish, I think. Rice, sweet chili sauce, pickle, onion and cucumbers. Let's try it. I love the crunch from the fresh raw cabbage, and then the sweetness from that chilies, sweet chili sauce. It's not spicy at all. The salmon's cooked perfectly. The tofu, I find it interesting. I kind of mush it a little bit.
Yeah, almost looks like cheese.
Yeah.
Cheese or scrambled egg.
Yeah. And then the fried onion. It has I would say it's a good vegan dish. Hint of spiciness in the background. It's good. I would say it's a good vegan dish. That's a nice intense strawberry flavor. And the cream, it's not too sweet, which is good. But the texture and the crust at the bottom is not it's a little bit soggy. It's okay. Maybe a little bit more promising. That's better. The custard is nice and creamy, and the crust is not super crispy. It has that slightly of that cookie texture to it. Chunks of the mango. That's really good. Have some up for this one. Thank you.
And those were the 2025 Holland America main dining room lunch menus, including appetizers, main entrees, and desserts. Overall, we thought the food quality was very good, though it definitely wasn't as upscale as brunch. What do you think? Which dishes will you order? Let us know with a comment and be sure to check out our other Holland America food videos. See the playlist in the description. Thanks for watching, happy cruising, and we'll see you soon in the next video.